So, you want to be a freight broker. Well, what if I told you that freight brokering is dead and that in 2022 there's a much more lucrative opportunity to make money online working from home? Stick around, I'll explain. Let's begin with discussing the issues surrounding freight brokering. To begin with, licensing is required. In 2013, legislation was passed that significantly increased the cost of the freight broker bond, a significant requirement for becoming licensed. This made it harder for just anyone to call themselves a broker. Another issue that plagues freight brokering is leads. Buying leads is a huge mistake. It'll put you out of business really quick because of how expensive it can be. And cold calling all day is just an archaic method. The reality is, in this modern day and age, organic lead generation utilizing social media and connecting with people organically is really the best way to go. Freight brokering, the reality is it's dead, as I mentioned in the intro to this video. There's an extremely negative reputation in freight brokering, as well as the marketplace itself just being completely oversaturated. So if freight brokering is dead, well, what direction you go next, right? You're looking for a way to make money online from home, right? Well, let's analyze that for a minute. The key to online business success breaks down into several factors, and these factors really make the difference between you making money online or wasting a bunch of money trying to make money online, right? So let's dig in. The first key element is a true education. Blueprints do not work. There's plenty of gurus out there that are going to try and sell you a blueprint. And the reality is, and to put in an analogy, if you wanted to be a professional baseball player, and I owned a pro shop, and I said to you, hey, come buy a bat and a pair of cleats and a helmet and a ball for me, and now congratulations, you're a professional baseball player. We all know that that's not how it works, right? So with that being said, what you really need is a mentor, somebody who's actively making money doing what it is they're going to be teaching you to do so that you can achieve success. It's extremely, extremely important. Right? Not somebody who said they did it in the past, and if you follow their blueprint, you can be successful too. Somebody who's actively doing it right now, making money. Big difference, right? A cost-effective model is also important. Building a business that's not cash flowing is a big mistake. You want to access an already active cash flowing business. These elements are key. A home office, a computer, cell phone, social media accounts, an email account, that's really all you need in today's marketplace. Very straightforward, but a requirement nonetheless. Proven methods. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Earn while you learn by utilizing proven methods to start making money right away. This is very important. Far too many people are trying to put the puzzle together themselves, come up with their own way of doing things long before they ever earn a dollar or have any experience in the industry. With that methodology, it's likely you're doomed to fail, right? And so what you really want is experienced hands on the deal or on the wheel, right? Clients are looking to a broker to take care of their needs and lead the relationship. When trying something new, it's important to have a support that is looking after the deal. So what kind of deal am I talking about? What kind of brokering am I talking about? Well, business loan brokering is what you want to focus on. And no, I'm not talking about merchant cash advance, commonly referred to as MCA. If in the past you heard about MCA, you signed up for a program, you thought that that was the whole of business loan brokering or how you can make a bunch of money working online from home, absolutely not. We're going to discuss why in a later slide, but that is not where we're going here, okay? With that being said, business loan brokering, pretty much for the most part, there's no licensing requirement. Generally, the license is held by the lender, and that there are a few states that do require licensing, but it's not really something you need to worry about out of the gate, really at a maturity point when you just want to further expand your outreach. But again, it's only a few states. It's not a lot. Another thing is free lead generation is right at your fingertips. It works extremely well by leveraging your social media network. And no, I'm not talking about advertising on social media. I'm talking about warm, exclusive leads that are free and available to you just by leveraging your social media network. And we can show you exactly how to do that, okay? A growing marketplace as well is something you want to focus on. There was a large shift in the marketplace that occurred during COVID. Business is done now in a different way. And if you're not aware of that change, we can also show you how to adjust, okay? Now, one thing I want to focus on just real quick is to talk about merchant cash advance, okay? It is in fact dead. Okay, it stopped right along with COVID, and for good reason. You see, the reality is merchant cash advance is bad for the economy. Okay, high interest MCA products put businesses out of business. It's bad. It's bad for the economy. Yes, there are some businesses that can use a merchant cash advance and they don't care about the high interest because they can use that money to make more money. And so who cares as long as they earn more on their bottom line at the end of the quarter, the year, or whatever it is. But that's not the majority of businesses. Okay, the reality is there is a better way. That space is completely oversaturated. There's endless quote unquote brokers out there pushing merchant cash advance, and business owners are sick and tired of it. They don't want to hear about it. They've already had a cash advance. The majority of those business owners are already on lead lists, the same leads you're buying, and those people are also have defaulted in the past. They have no chance of getting funded anyway. And of course, as an MCA broker, you would have a terrible reputation. The second you even mentioned that you're looking to offer them a merchant cash advance, even if you said the words working capital, right, or anything like that, to stabilize cash flow, they know what it all means. It means cash advance. They don't want to talk to you, okay? The reality is that terrible reputation that freight brokers had earned, it's the same thing with merchant cash advance brokers. So to be clear, we are not talking about merchant cash advance, okay? What we're talking about is being able to leverage our national funding network here at Ion Capital Solutions and our dedicated processing team, along with our marketing methods that show you how to generate leads for free to make money online working from home. And the key here is real estate investment funding. You see, real estate investors and wholesalers, these business owners rely on funding products to do business. They need business loan brokers, right? And as a business loan broker, you're essentially marketing, qualifying, funding, earning a commission, and then it's rinse and repeat. And if you're offering the right products and you know what you're doing, it's a continuous, consistent income because they're regularly borrowing. This is very important. But the renewed business is only there if you know what products to push, if you know how to help a client. And yes, there are business funding products, meaning cash flow based products, other than cash advance, that you can offer to businesses that also require real estate investment funding. What I'm talking about, for instance, is construction groups that also are investment groups that require money for purchase and rehab, that require money for refinancing, new construction, portfolio, commercial, right? On top of equipment financing and factoring and gap funding and term loans and SBAs and premier business loans, et cetera, et cetera. Okay? If you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money in this industry. All right? A team effort towards positive results is ultimately what's needed. Okay? Here at Ion, you can start making money right away. Our students, they earn while they learn. Okay? Ion Capital Solutions is two things. We're a loan brokerage, but we're also an extensive loan broker training program. Our students are leveraging our brokerage, working with clients and getting deals funded while they're figuring out how to be a loan broker. Again, there's no licensing requirements. Licensing is held by the firm, by the lenders we're partnered with. We represent all the top public and private lenders in the United States in the real estate investment funding and business funding world. Okay, so that's already covered. All right, we're going to teach you our marketing lead generation methods so that you can connect with real estate investors, wholesalers, and business owners around the country and connect them with our lender relationships, through our lender relationships, I should say, so that you can earn a commission, all right? And understand that we're in this together. We're so confident that our training program works that we'll actually be responsible for your deal's funding. We'll connect you and partner you with our active brokers who close deals every single week and make sure your deals get across the finish line so you can make money. And that's how we differentiate ourselves from blueprint programs out there in the marketplace. We ensure that you make money as an active broker. We don't sell you a blueprint and say good luck. We hold you by the hand and get the deal funded. Nobody else is doing that. Okay? And if they claim to be, odds are they're not. Okay? With that being said, Ion Capital Solutions is a terrific opportunity for anybody who's looking to make money online working from home. What I want to do is invite you to take a look at the rest of our YouTube channel and hear testimonials from all of our students, the money they're making, the deals they're closing. Listen in to some of our coaching calls and see just what the environment's like. Take a look at our Profit Booster, a lucrative and passive opportunity for real estate investors and wholesalers. Get involved with a network of investors, wholesalers, fund them, put money in their pocket, in turn put money in your pocket. Take part in a revolution to the way the business loan brokering world works. And with Ion, you can continue your journey towards success in a new, positive way in 2022. Anyway, thank you so much for listening in. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to smash that like button as well as the subscribe button to stay up to date for all the video content that we release daily, weekly, and throughout the year. Everybody, thanks so much and Happy New Year.